Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infiniti of Nashua, we have this 2019 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport 400. I am absolutely in love with these cars. They are a ton of fun to drive, and I honestly can't get enough of them. This one's a really nice example with exactly 15,000 miles on the clock. As of filming, 3-liter twin turbo V6. Bingo. Looks like 58,395 when new. 400 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque. Majestic white over gallery white. White on white. Very nice spec on this example. Here in the Infiniti drive mode selector, you can select engine and transmission to all different settings. Pretty cool. That's accessed by going home, or I should say menu. And it pops right up. Alright, let's go for a drive. These are honestly very underrated. That's a good plate for a driver's ed car. Like I was saying, these are very underrated cars. Not a lot of people talk about them because they go in expecting it to be, you know, like a M440i, and you know, they go in with the wrong expectations. This is a luxury car that has a ton of power, and with a simple tune, oh, you can get a lot of power out of these. I know some that are pushing close to 600 horsepower with pretty light mods. These are animals. These can easily be tuned to push some pretty big power figures. Even factory though, 400 horsepower is more than you would ever need. I mean, if you're sitting there and you're like, yeah, 400 horsepower, yeah, it's not enough for me. Go buy a Hellcat. That's the kind of speed that you're at. Get a little bit of a gap here. Wow. can't get enough of that. I just stepped out of the NSX too. That was a car I reviewed today. So coming from that to this, and this still feeling fast, it's pretty impressive. Now, what's pretty unique about these, and probably what some people complain about, steering is steer-by-wire. There, on most situations, is no connection between this steering wheel and the front axle. Now, there is an actual connection that's there, and it's separated by a clutch. So if the power goes out, that clutch engages and you still have steering. So there is a safety backup, but it's mostly steer-by-wire. At first I complained about it, just took a little bit of getting used to. It's really not noticeable anymore. First time I drove one of these, I'm like, whoa, that's weird. I was getting in my head. You just drive this and get used to it as you would any other car, you never notice it. Good job, Infiniti. These are awesome cars. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.